I was using this wreath for Halloween decorations and now I'm going to give it a quick Christmas makeover. I'm going to use PlastiKote fast dry enamel, which is really good for small projects like this. I'm going to spray the base of the wreath in white and then use some ivy and spray that in chrome and copper and simply just wrap it around. So a really quick and easy project. I'm going to give the can a good shake and then I'm ready to start spraying. So I'm just finishing wrapping the ivy around the wreath. I've tucked it into the wreath itself, but you might want to use a glue gun to make it more secure. I'm really happy with the finished product. I really like metallics at Christmas and this is going to look great. It's such a quick and easy project.